Tissue. The living fabric. 4 types of tissue: epithelial, protection, connective, support. Muscle, movement. Nervous, control. Epithelial tissue. Covering and lining epithelium. Glandular epithelium, classified by shape. Number of layers: squamous, flattened and scale-like. Cuboidal, as tall as they are wide. Columnar, tall, column-shaped. Arrangement: simple, stratified. Simple squamous. Simple columnar. Stratified squamous. Pseudostratified squamous. Functions of epithelium: protection, absorption, secretion. Sensory functions. Features of epithelium: cell junctions are tight. Basement membrane. Avascular, no vessels. Highly regenerative. Covering and lining epithelium. Location: endothelium, simple, reduces friction, vessels. Mucous membranes. Line body cavities that are open to the exterior. Mouth, nose. Location: cutaneous membrane, skin, keratinized stratified squamous, dry membrane. Serous membrane, moist, closed ventral body cavities, reduce friction. Glandular epithelium, specialized for secretion. 1 or more epithelial cells. Exocrine, ducts, saliva glands, pancreas. Endocrine, ductless, directly into extracellular space. Hormones. Connective tissue. General properties. Most abundant and varied of all tissues. Primary function: bind the other tissues or the body. Matrix: non-living, extracellular material, separates cells of the tissue. Allows tissue to bear weight, tension, and endure abuses. Connective tissues develop from embryonic tissue known as mesenchyme. Cells. 1. Fibroblasts produce fibers and carbs and protein constituents of matrix. Chondroblast, cartilage. Osteoblast, bone. Hemocytoblast, blood. Fibers. Collagen. Most abundant. White fibers. Tough, inelastic. Fibers reticular, finely branched, composed of collagen. X. Basement membrane, small blood vessels. Fibers elastic, yellow fibers elastin, protein. X. Skin, lungs, vessels. Connective tissue proper, 2 subclasses. Types of CT. Connective tissue proper. 2 subclasses. Loose connective, areolar, adipose, reticular. Dense connective, dense regular, dense irregular, elastic, dense regular connective. Elastic cartilage. Cartilage, tough yet flexible, avascular. Chondrocytes. Perichondrium, well vascularized, dense irregular connective tissue membrane. Bone main supporting tissue, compact bone and spongy bone. Well supplied by blood vessels. Blood and lymph are circulating connective tissues. Red marrow blood cells. Skeletal, voluntary control, attached to bone. Muscle tissue. Skeletal, voluntary control, attached to bone. Cardiac, involuntary, heart, branched cells joined end to end. Smooth, involuntary. Lining of organs, vessels. Nervous functions receive stimuli, transmit info. Control action of muscle and glands.